OAuth 2.0 in Azure AD. OAuth 2.0 is an authorization framework that enables applications to obtain access to an HTTP service. In Azure AD, OAuth 2.0 is used to enable applications to access Microsoft APIs like Microsoft Graph, or your own APIs registered with Azure AD. Types. There are several OAuth 2.0 grant types supported in Azure AD. 1. Authorization code, used by web apps and services that can secure a client secret. 2. Implicit, used by single-page apps, SPAs. 3. Client credentials, used for server-to-server communication. 4. Resource owner password credentials, used sparingly and only for legacy applications. 5. Device code, for devices without a browser or have limited input capabilities. Features. Token-based authentication, replaces username/password authentication. Delegated authorization, allows apps to act on behalf of users. Consent framework, users can grant or deny permissions to applications. Scalability, easily integrates with multiple platforms and languages. Capacity. OAuth 2.0 is highly scalable, depending on your Azure AD tier and your application architecture. OAuth 2.0 can accommodate a range of small to enterprise-level applications. Purpose and usage. The primary purpose is to provide token-based authorization in cloud solutions. OAuth 2.0 is commonly used in scenarios such as enabling third-party applications to access user data without exposing the user's password. How to make use of it? 1. Register your app. Register your application in Azure AD. 2. Configure OAuth 2.0. Choose the OAuth 2.0 grant types that fit your application's needs. 3. Implement authorization. Use Azure AD libraries to integrate OAuth 2.0 into your application. 4. Test. Perform thorough testing to ensure that authorization is working as expected. Summary. OAuth 2.0 in Azure AD is an authorization framework for secure HTTP service access. Types include authorization code, implicit, client credentials, resource owner password credentials, and device code. Features include token-based authentication, delegated authorization, consent framework, and scalability. OAuth 2.0 can handle a range of application sizes depending on the Azure AD tier. The primary purpose is to enable token-based authorization in cloud solutions. Usage involves registering the application in Azure AD, configuring OAuth 2.0 settings, implementing authorization, and testing. Thanks for watching.